What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm pretty excited right now. So new stickers on the truck. Got this in the mail. And if you want to look in the car real quick, got something else. Boom, honeycombs. Got honeycombs for the truck. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these honeycombs on. I'm not gonna time lapse or anything. Just gonna put them on. So yeah, here they are. All right, guys, got the new wheels on her. I moved her out to the road because we're moving stuff for big trash week, but I'm taking it to the car wash right now because these are filthy. So I'm gonna wipe these wheels down, clean the truck, tire shine, all that crap, and then I'll show y'all after. Just got done cleaning the truck, tire shining those wheels, polishing them. Man, they look great. I've never had 20s on my truck before. Anything bigger than 17s I've never had, so I like it. So I'm gonna head home and show y'all what all I got. Just open the box. So this right here is for the 4L60E pressure port. This is where I'm gonna read my my temperature from. It's up by the neutral safety switch. Oh, they sent me some performance stickers, extra horsepower. Alright. And then I got the digital trans gauge. Oh, it says boost, but boost on the front, but it says transmission temperature gauge right there. So yeah, let me open this up and show you. It'll show digital right there, just like my AFR gauge does. And then they actually sent me another trans temp gauge with it, but it's not the right one. That's why I had to order that one. So tomorrow I'm gonna install this on a lift at the dealership, just so it's easier to do. So I'm actually in bed now, and my birthday was last week, and something showed up. Courtney blessed me with a birthday present from Cletus. She saw that my lanyard was broken, and I didn't have a lanyard for my truck keys either, so hell yeah, brother. And I got a Pistons, rods, and dad bods because I got a dad bod. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. I'm taking the truck to school tomorrow and hopefully putting the trans temp gauge on. So yeah, see y'all then. He got me doing 89 and a 70. I was just chilling in the fast lane, just driving. But yeah, we're gonna keep driving to school and hopefully get this trans gauge done tonight. Maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. Reason I didn't record getting pulled over by that cop, I wanted him to hurry up pretty much so I could just get to school. I didn't want to argue with him or anything about recording or make him feel uneasy. So alright guys, I'm at school. I guess I'll catch y'all after school. So yeah. Lunchtime, baby. I got that 4.3 V6, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, got her pulled into the shop. I'm gonna start wiring this this gauge. Alright, so I'm I've got a mess right now, but I'm gonna see if this thing will turn on. All right, here it is. All right, I guess I'll put it right there and turn my ignition. See if it turns on. There we go. So it works. So now I've got to raise the vehicle up, put the temperature gauge in, and then wire the temperature gauge, and I'll be done. I got the sensor in right up there, and now I've got to give this one a ground. Shoot, I'll probably ground it like right here on this trans bolt, and then I got to run this wire, this positive, to where is it? This wire right here that I just ran through the floorboard. I know it's kind of ghetto, but I'm ready to read my trans temp. So, all right. So I've got it semi wired up. I've actually got a ground right here. I'm gonna see if that works. And then I've got the power wire running up under this heat shield right here into the cab. So hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I'll fix it, but yeah. All right guys, just clocked out of work. I got everything wired up. You guys aren't gonna like this, but that's what I had to do just to get home. I'm gonna fix it when I get home. But trans temp gauge seems to be working. AFR is really bad. I need to tune. Don't judge me. Don't look at that. But I think trans temp is gonna go up. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe it'll go up. I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it's going up now. So that's how I know it's working, and I guess I'll show you guys after it warms up on the way home. So, yep. The trans temp gauge was working, but I came out to a truck meet, and on the way here, my air fuel gauge stopped working. I think it might be the sensor, but I came up here to a truck meet. There's quite a few people here. I'll show y'all. And Adrian's on the way up here, so talk to y'all when he gets here. It's like 2 minutes after recording that, and got this guy rolling in, so we're gonna see what happens. He didn't want nothing, but he is parked way over there. But a lot more trucks rolling in. We got Adrian pulling up. We got Adrian right here. We got him.
You. He filmed you on camera. Oh, bro. What is this?
We got the cops out here though. I think they're about to run everyone off. What's up, Erica? What's up, Erica? Yeah, I think they're about to run everyone off, so we'll see. And we got Donico out here too. They're trying to get the owner of this red truck right here, because apparently he runs it. So yeah, I'm over here hanging out with Donico.
It's just like, turn his lights on. No. I'm taking the keys.
Damn. Cop took this guy's keys.
Let him know I got his keys.
Oh my God.
That's a 10-second car right there.
God dang.
The one that put this together, I'm like, I didn't put shit together. I showed up, I saw it on Facebook. I said one of my buddies shared it. I saw it. I showed up. He was like, oh.
Do you still hang out with that black, that purple Mustang and shit like that?
Every now and then. She's with a different car club now, but.
Alright, so we're moving to a new spot right now, I believe. Probably gonna get shut down in about 5 minutes because people are being retarded, but whatever. Got Donico pulling up with us. People are retarded, man. Revving their 5.3s. Looks like it's about to rain pretty bad. Might have to leave soon. It's about to rain pretty bad, so I'm gonna head out. I think this will be the end of the video. So if you're not already, subscribe to our Instagram @JacksonBuilds. Like and subscribe if you can. I'll see y'all later.